How do mortgages actually work? Let's figure it out with a little story about a duck.
So here's our hero, a duck who wants the perfect nest. But yeah, there's a problem.
His dream nest costs 20,000 worms. He's only saved 800. That's a big gap.
So what's a duck to do? He waddles on over to the local goose bank for some help. And hey, the goose has an idea. He offers the duck a long worm loan to cover it. And that, my friends, is basically a mortgage, a huge loan that's paid back over many years. His 800 worms, that becomes his deposit or down payment. The bank loans him the rest. And boom, he gets the nest. But now he's got to pay that goose back every single month. And each payment isn't just the loan, it includes extra worms for the bank. That's called interest. So in the end, that nest cost him way more than the sticker price. That's the power of interest. But here's the cool part. With every payment, he owns a little bit more of his nest. That's equity. Okay, but there is a big risk. If he can't make his payments, the goose can take the nest away. And it's not just the loan. You've got insurance, taxes, and surprise repairs to think about too. Which makes me wonder, what's a home expense that totally surprised you? Let us know in the comments. So what's the lesson? A wise frog puts it perfectly. Only flap into what you can actually afford. The key is to just borrow responsibly. That way your dream home doesn't turn into a nightmare. If you want more simple money explainers just like this one, make sure you subscribe to Dollar Says.